Morning. How are you? And again, no hotel today. I mean, like, I mean, hotel don't come today again. No, 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 I'm not hotel. Hotel. He coming or not? Hotel. Shit. Never mind then. Yes, hotel. Hotel. Yes. And he not coming today again. Okay. You are on cell. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Yep. That's me. No, we have 94. Yep. Maybe next week or month. Yep. 9 minutes more. Mm. Yes, like usually. Yeah, we'll know it's pushing back up slowly. Seems like it's gonna be as a fake out. Yep. Well, it's easy to make money, like you see, if you watch 50 minutes, if you watch the 6:45, it's made small the buy, and if you break the buyer's wick, and it's gonna be sell. Like you see, 64 pips. I think for me it's showing 64, 16 pips. You see, yeah, yeah, making. Yeah. Like yesterday, he was showing the how much he was made. The gold drop was 4,000, I think. I think the if what's called the 15 minute possible is gonna make next buy enter. Yeah, yeah, it's called the gold was dropping, but for a moment it's come down. Maybe depends how it's gonna close, and the next candle gonna how they're gonna open. I don't know. I will hear me. You need to ask Mark. Mark, why they can only hear me and not you? I should was take the GJ buy. Like if you watch the third mic, 6:30 was make small sell candle was pulling up after this 30 mic break the wick, so it was making possible buy. No, too expensive. I don't have so much money. I'm bored. 800, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So you want to say you don't trust me? Hmm? It's Well, but he's make more money if you, so. Well, yeah. But he's been talking. Liquid is more in pre-London, London, and pre-New York. This is after New York Open. So yeah, yeah, true. Well, yep, yeah, but still not in live. So yeah. Well, I'm sure doing he Discord. So who is in Discord server? Maybe on the CD analysis. So yeah. Well, he have more experience if someone are you sure? Mm. Oh, shit. Stream gonna start.
Hello everyone, hello JP, hello Elite Man. Oh well, I already said hello to you too, Elite Man. How's everyone doing? New is on time. Oh jeez.
Wow, what surprise.
Whoa, we did it. First of all, let me just say Deal's catchphrase, I suppose, because he's not here right now. But so we win most of the time, we lose a little bit of the time. I think that's what he says. So if you guys aren't ready to lose, I guess, then quit streaming. Not keep streaming. Quit trading. Oh god. This is why I'm not the host of the live stream, boys. I'm a background character. Do you know what I mean? I just chill in the background.
But now you're front. I'm the back. I'm the supporter.
Yeah.
I'm doing my job.
I support too. I'm the resistance. You're the support. We'll go with that. And then Adil.
Yeah.
Morning, Ray. Morning, Ray. Have a great trading day. Yeah, thank you, thank you. You too, man. I don't know if you're trading or gonna be working, but got to go again. Nah, no worries, man. Enjoy your day, bro. Enjoy your day. So yeah, so right now what we're looking at for GJ boys. Let's look at first of all the daily time frame. So on the daily, we are currently in the daily range, and we're currently consolidating. Okay, so we're from between this high and this low. With these daily highs and daily lows, we do expect one or all obviously to get taken. Because there is liquidity sitting above and below them. Okay, so we'll wait and see what the reaction is. Overall, I am short, although I am more than happy to take longs if the opportunity presents itself. Again, by the way, this strategy that I'm showing right now, this is a back testing strategy. So I'm currently forward testing it in live markets, although I will show you guys the live trades that I am currently in right now. So, you know, best of both worlds. Okay, so for 4 hour time frame, what do we have? So we have 4 hour structure being bearish. This is why I'm predominantly selling at the moment for GJ. So we got the highs and we have the lows over here. We did create minor support up here, which I do expect to be respected. However, if we do end up breaking this minor support, I wouldn't be surprised if we fill in the entire 4 hour range for, up to this high. So that's something we need to keep an eye on. Okay. As for the even lower time frames, what we can look at is, first of all, we do have session highs over here, and we have session lows currently over here. However, we have created Asia session lows over here. I made that wrong. So this is daily low, this is the session low, and this is the session high. Okay, so what we're expecting is to take either or. So if we take the highs first, I'll be more than happy for it to go down and take these lows after as a sell-off. So I'm expecting the sell-off and potentially targeting these daily lows over here. That's what I'm anticipating, so we'll wait and see if that happens. Okay, so as for volume profile, we are currently in a balanced volume profile, although it is a little bit it's starting to get more imbalance over here. So if I just hide the thing over here, you can see that we're starting to get more volume towards the upside. So if we start really going up and this POC moves up, then that'll mean that the overall day is becoming more and more bullish. So we need to be a little bit more wary. We are starting to get more as well. You can see cluster around this zone, so it means that there's actually buyers and sellers within this zone, and there's actually value to be found within this zone, whereas previously there wasn't. So we need to keep that in mind as well. Okay, as for the rest of the volume profile, nothing much to do. To be fair, nothing else. There's literally not much. We do have a gap over here, but it did get filled yesterday as expected. As I said, I expect the gap to be filled, and that's exactly what happened. And yeah, so you can see that if you just put these two together, there will be volume over here, and that's what I mean by gap fill. Okay, as for the VWAP over here, you can see that this VWAP does line up perfectly with this zone right here. So we are going to take sells around this level. I do anticipate these highs to be taken, though. I don't anticipate equal highs. I do actually want it to get broken above and start to climb back down below. Okay, as for gold, so I'm currently in this gold trade. Again, I'm not currently in this gold trade because I was back testing. I didn't get to enter. However, I did call this on the stream yesterday, so I'll show you guys the exact entry right now. So the entry was at this daily zone over here, very precise. I did anticipate it to go into this lower deviation just in case. However, it didn't. That's fine. It doesn't have to. The daily was enough to support it to go to the upside. Okay, let's look at the top-down analysis though. For top-down analysis, why did I expect longs overall? So, oh, sorry, this is just that's just a diagram. So I expected longs overall because I look and see how the momentum is on the weekly time frame. Insane momentum to the upside, insane volume to the upside. Okay. The next thing is we did finish above this weekly grid on the weekly time frame. So now we're expecting it to complete onto the next zone right here, which is at 1960. Okay, we could potentially see 1970 as well if 1960 is broken, but I'm gonna shoot for 1960 and potential reversal at 1960. Obviously, we're gonna wait for a lower time frame structure shift before we take sells. Okay, but that's what we're looking at. So 1925 was broken and finished above on the weekly time frame, so I anticipated this volume to continue to the upside. However, I didn't expect it to go straight away. I did expect some sort of pushed retracement to the downside first, grabbing more orders before we continue. Hi Chris, hi Chris. So that's exactly what we waited for. We waited for this zone right here to get tapped. You can see I already entered one time over here, and then I was able to enter again over here. So I managed to get 3 gold longs before I finally got the right push. Fortunately enough, I was able to move my stops to break even before I got tapped out and reversed. So yeah, 3 gold long so far. But anyways, so yeah, we have the push to the upside here. Okay, 12-hour time frame. For some reason, my VWAP is gone, so I'm not gonna look at the VWAP right now on the 12-hour time frame. I'll add it on later. Okay, so next thing is we did have volume. We did have a volume cluster around this zone right here. So there was definitely a lot of traders looking to get involved around this zone. So I was more than happy to get involved with them. And there was a tiny bit of a gap. It did get filled a little bit, so that gave me a little bit of confidence to go up, because if this gap didn't get filled too much, then that means there's not much value to be found to the downside, so we can continue higher with price. Okay, so all right, let's look at the 4-hour time frame now. So the 4-hour time frame gets a little bit messy, but bear with me. So overall in the 12-hour time frame, we were overall bullish. At the time of entering the most current position, our structure was this low and this high. You can see that we ended up retesting this previous low over here, which was good. That basically gave me the confidence, because if this level gets broken, I wouldn't have to worry about re-entering. I wouldn't have to worry about skating in and out or whatever. I know that if I got this wrong, it's probably going to go all the way down to the next daily level, but if I got it right, then it's probably go to my target. So that's the best case scenario for me. It gives me a bit of a sigh of relief that was the case. So that's something we need to work. We can say. And the next thing is we did have buyers. In terms of market psychology, is what I was thinking. So we had buyers over here and then buyers over here. So as soon as we tap into this level, you can see that buyers were able to absorb the selling momentum previously. Okay, so what happened was we pushed up, broke previous structure over here. So now my anticipation is sell. What's it called? Potential buyers from over here move their stop loss a little bit higher into 1925, 1922, where the break even would be. You can see we targeted that zone perfectly over here, almost to a T, right? This wick was a bit, it was designed to do that practically. And then anyone that's left, we did get tapped out again. So that was beautiful. And we started to rally to the upside. So that was the gold trade, and that was the rundown. I explained this yesterday or 2 days ago. I don't remember exactly, but I did explain this on the stream yesterday alongside with my GJ trade that it didn't pan out because I didn't get entered. But yeah, next thing is Bitcoin. So I'm currently in a Bitcoin. This one I actually am in at the moment. Very ballsy trade, I must say, because it was very late at night. I was about to go to sleep. And luckily it didn't help. It didn't affect my sleep, so I was fine. But anyways, let's look at the higher time frames. Higher time frames, we did have this accumulation zone on the higher time frames where a lot of sellers are probably going to be looking to sell. It's been tapped once, so I anticipated that that level to get broken. So I expected the highs to get liquidated for it to continue to the downside. First targets I am looking at is on a daily time frame. However, overall targets for now is 21,400 or 450 around that zone. As it is a major weekly level. We also need to worry about this level as well of 21,800. But yeah, we'll be securing partials throughout throughout the trade. Okay, so as for the daily time frame, this is the one thing that was really bad about my trade. Well, a few things that was bad about my trade and what made it risky. First of all, we are bullish on the daily time frame, so it wasn't ideal to really be taking sells. However, you can see how impulsive the push to the upside was. Call it intuition, call it whatever you want, but yeah, I did expect price to retrace a little bit, at least a little bit, because of how price was so impulsive to the upside. Also, you can see what it kind of did here. We were trying to get shorts involved, to continue to the downside. They got squeezed, and again over here you can see where it stalled perfectly at the weekly level, trying to get shorts involved. You can see that they got squeezed. I didn't think there was going to be 3 squeezes in a row, so I did expect some sort of push to the downside. But they did get liquidated though, these sellers right here, these early sellers that sold at the weekly level, they did get liquidated. You can see the highs getting taken. Okay, so as for the VWAP, there wasn't really a VWAP call on this one, but there was, however, a gap over here which needed to be filled, and these gaps do act like magnets, so I do want price to go into this gap at the very least, and I want to see how price reacts to this gap. If we start to fall in value around this level, so around like this, then for me it's a better sign. Even if we are consolidating, that means there's a value to be found to the downside. Okay, 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, it was bullish. However, we are overall consolidating, and with consolidation, I say it to everyone a lot. So there's going to be sellers here. As soon as it gets to here, we're going to be selling. And stop loss is going to be up above. So I did anticipate those highs to be liquidated. As I said on the Discord, I said 23,800. I'm pretty sure, 23,800. I'm pretty sure was the level I was waiting for it to get liquidated at. And you can see it was almost to the T, which is beautiful. All right. Next thing is my one, because it was late at night, I just did an impulse entry around this level right here. However, if it wasn't late at night, I probably would have entered around this zone instead, because I would have waited for the candle close. But it was late at night at like 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, sorry. So I wanted to go to bed, so I just entered. But yeah, in terms of analysis over here, so we have market psychology analysis anyways. So we had obviously the major structure over here, which had a lot of stop losses potentially because of all the sellers that's looking to sell here, and here. Loads of sellers trying to push price to the downside. We also have obviously buyers on the opposite direction as well, but we're looking predominantly on the sellers here, and their stop losses being up here. You can see that price was very, very precise of what it wanted to do, and then we could see the drop to the downside. I am looking to move stops to break even soon, and I'm looking to take partials around this zone right here, because again, it's still a major support, right? It's not guaranteed we're going to break this level, so I am going to take partials around that zone and obviously leave the rest to run. This is currently, as it stands, a 1 to 8, but this is at the very, very bottom of Bitcoin, so that's what I'm anticipating. You can see around this 20,000 level is my overall take profit. But that's not going to happen in one day. It's not going to happen in 1 week. It's not going to happen in 1 month, really. So I'm going to break this trade down piece by piece. Okay, so those are my analysis so far. Well, those are the 3 analysis that I have so far. In terms of euro dollar, I don't see much at the moment. Maybe potential upside movement as we finish above this weekly level. We can potentially start to see overall, and then in the next week, the continuation to the upside. But yeah, let's go back into DJ and let's read back on some chats. Nightbot is a savage again, bro. What the hell?
Like usually.
Yep. 28 minutes to London, indeed. Elite man, a good thing. Oh, that's good. News fresher than yesterday. That's amazing. He's not ill. He's not ill. Ugh. My God, man. I need coffee or something, bro. Okay, he's not ill. I know what you mean. Just waking up early. Yeah. What's up, Fernando? How you doing? Chris is here. I already said hi. I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
It helps. Yep. Nice trade on gold. Thanks, Snoo. I try. By the way, this is already a break even, and partial's already been secured. Partial was actually secured up this high right here, believe it or not. So it was very early on, but it was one of those trades that, like, there's major support, major resistance, sorry, up here. So I try not to. I've had 3 cups already. Damn, man. No wonder you're feeling good, huh? Where's a deal? A deal is currently, well, he'll probably be here in, like, after he trades, but yeah, he'll be back. I'm good, man. I'm good. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, I missed this trade right here, which would have been a beautiful trade. And I did call it on the stream and I called it on Discord, but unfortunately, I was back testing and I completely forgot to enter. So yeah, very sad. However, I do still have 1 trade at the moment with Bitcoin shorts. Yeah, pretty good. Probably at 1.1% profit. So let me just confirm or deny.
Maybe next time put alarm for yourself.
I did put an alarm. I just didn't bother with it. I think no, not 1.1, around that 0.8%. I think, who was it? Was it a deal? Yeah, a deal was with me on the call. That's why I didn't want to like enter while we were talking, so I didn't end up entering. But it was fine. We were just back testing. We were just chilling. You know, you don't get to take every single trade you analyze. Let's be honest. You miss a few.
True.
Like, that's life. So. In conclusion, it sucks that I miss out on like what 3%, almost damn near 3%. So
a lot of money you miss.
A little bit, but it's okay. Happens, man. We're mature enough to take the L's, the mini L's. I did call this oil shorts, but again, I'm not executing on oil yet. I'm really just trying to master its price action and everything. So far, so good. You can see. Shorts here. I still expect to go to 77.5, but we'll see. I got this right so far. This one I got slightly wrong when I expected to push to the downside. But yeah, got the push up eventually right. This one, it didn't go as far as I thought. Unfortunate. Yeah, you guys get it. US 30, I did expect even more shorts than that. So we did short from where the level I was looking at. However, it went back into entry. Didn't take this one. Again, just testing it. Yeah. Oh well. At least the ones that I actually do execute on actually work out, which is nice. So it's quite nice. 14 minutes. How's everyone doing, by the way? What's everyone's pairs? What's everyone trading? Let me know. If you guys want me to analyze anything.
People.
That isn't okay. GP. I was gonna say that isn't GJ really, or the things I analyze. Okay, I'll start from scratch.
You did ask.
No. I'll start from scratch because I had an analysis and it didn't really work. Okay, so first of all, on the weekly time frames, look at our weekly grids. How do I go about doing weekly grids? I look at previous structure, obviously, or not previous structure, previous levels where price is stalled, and then either continued down or after breaking, it had an impulsive push to the upside or impulsive push to the downside. Okay, so any levels where there's a lot of reaction. First of all, like this one, right? This level had a lot of reaction to it. How do I know this? So you can see before this level, we had a massive spike to the upside. Huge, okay? Like, that's not a lot stopping this. However, for some reason, this level in particular managed to stall this momentum, managed to stall the buyers. There was enough sellers over here to counteract all of these buyers. Whether they were taking profit, whatever the hell they were doing, doesn't matter. Anyways, those traders deemed this level to be a significant level. You can
Well,
see
wasn't it this time the pound, the inflation was coming up or something?
well, on this level right here this time,
Around there somewhere, yeah.
the 5th of
I don't
December.
remember what. Yeah, somewhere there was, I think.
Okay,
Maybe it was make.
well, there you go. Then apparently, you know, news weren't taken into fact, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Still shows that there were sellers around this level. And you can see after we broke this level, what did we do? We had an impulsive push to the upside. It wasn't just a quick break. No. It was an impulsive push to the upside. So definitely a clear level of significance in the market currently. Now let's look for the next clear level of significance. Okay, so for me it's going to be just this level right here where price stopped the potential push to the upside and started to go down. What platform do you guys recommend for backtesting? Yeah, so the replay function on TradingView is a little bit sucky. That I still use it. There are obviously downsides to it, but yeah, I definitely recommend backtesting on TradingView for now. There is this thing called I think what is it, software FX or something. A deal has and a deal use, but it's a little bit one, I think it's quite expensive, and two, it's
Expensive.
it's like MT4, not MT5, and you don't get the trading view charts and whatnot. So yeah, trading view in terms of the tools and stuff we use is probably still the best. Can't lie. Yo, Kayla, how you doing, man? So yeah, welcome back from the gym. I'm guessing. So yeah, now we're anticipating price to reach that 1.26 level. Is my speaker broken? Maybe, unless I'm cracking up. Is my audio bad?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, no, not bad. Not bad, bro. No, Mark. Mark is here. Mark is speaking.
Yeah, Mark is here. You don't hear it?
Yeah, Mark is speaking, bro. Not a deal. Maybe that's why you thought
yeah.
it was broken, because you thought it was a deal. Anyways, yeah, we anticipate price to go to 1.26500 or so. However, we do have this weekly wicks right here. If we start rejecting this level, I may start looking to change my direction to the downside. Yeah, Elite Man's here. Yeah, not here, bro. Okay, next thing is we have a current bullish trend on the daily time frames. We have this low and this high right here. However, if we end up breaking this high, so let me just zoom in. If we end up breaking this high, then we're gonna create new structure, obviously, because we're gonna create a new higher high, right? And our new low will be around this level right here. Well, not around, it will be this level right here. So something we need to keep in mind. But yeah, that way. Okay, so what we could potentially do is if we end up breaking this level right here. So let me just do it in terms of candles. So we break this level. Let's say it's a bullish candle. I think that's my bullish candle right there, and then we end up breaking it. What we can wait for is a pullback into this zone right here. I'll get there eventually, I swear. Just taking its time. 1 second. There we go. So we can wait a pullback over here for the continuation to the upside. Once once we do that, something like this. Okay, so let me just show you guys what I mean. So once obviously we break this level right here, we continue to the upside. What we can wait for is obviously this is going to be our new high. This is going to be our new high. This is going to be our new low. And this is going to be our significant level over here. We wait for a pullback in that significant level. I would assume obviously the view app would probably line up perfectly with that level, and then we can start to push up to the upside over here. And that's basically the price action I'm looking off on the higher time frames. Let me just delete this and then show you guys what's happening on the lower time frames. Oh no, it was paused. Yo, Caleb, how you doing, man? I think Caelim's it's a bit lost. But yeah. So as for the 4 hour time frame, we are kind of consolidating. Nothing much right now. Nothing much. Oops, that's not what I was supposed to do. Good, bro. Just being in the gym. Nice. Yeah. As I thought you might. To be fair, how was it? What'd you hit? What'd you hit today, bro? Back. I don't know. I don't know the gym lingo. Haven't been in a while. Bit rusty. But yeah, anticipation price to go to the upside. However, I do want price to break above first, and then a retest, and then continuation up. That's what that's what I want for GU. There you go. There's your analysis, elite man. Back on
Thank
Wednesday.
you.
Shoulders, nice. As for the lower time frame, shall we do lower time frame analysis? Let's try my strategy on this, my new one. Let's try my analysis on this. So first of all, look at the daily time frame. Currently on a daily, let me just delete everything so it's not. But currently on the daily, we are in between. We have just broken this high over here. The low is over here. Something we need to do. Okay, as for the 4-hour time frame, what's going on? We are currently bullish. Yeah, we are bullish on the daily. So we had this high, this low, this high, this low. This high got broken, so this is now the new low. Okay, cool. So this is now our structure point. So we from this high to this low. So let's just mark that. We are bullish, and we're overall looking for buys on GU. Okay, we have session highs. Okay, this is oh crap. Let me just move you there. Okay, so we got, what is this? When was this? A session high. So this is 11 o'clock exactly. So this is session highs over here, and we have session lows. Well, session lows just got made, to be fair. So we created new session lows on London. That's pretty good. We did break previous session over here. So let's look at the 30-minute. That looks like a clean move to the upside. To I can't lie, it's probably gonna push up here. All right. So currently we are getting close to that POC level. Obviously, in hindsight, obviously my best entry would have been around this zone right here for the continuation up, and then obviously targeting that POC first, moving stops to break even once POC is hit, and then looking at that as overall targets. But yeah, unfortunately I missed it because I was looking at higher time frames first. So just to clarify, this is what I would have been looking for. So waiting for that to get broken, for that to finish. Stop losses would probably be around the, whatever zone. Again, I haven't really done the entry for this one yet. I haven't for this strategy. And then something like that, move stops to break even here. But unfortunately, it would have been a miss. Basically, why I would have done that is obviously we have a balanced volume profile, a balanced session today, right? So it's easier to buy the highs and sell the lows. No, buy the low, sell the high. So that would have been a good strategy over here. Would have been taking liquidity over here with impulse as well. So it shows that it was very what's the word I'm looking for, man? Well, it was very like what's the word I'm looking for? It basically had a purpose, and it did that on purpose, right? It was trying to take these lows, trying to get liquidity over here to generate liquidity, and now we're starting to rise to the upside. So, but yeah. Very intentional. There we go. It's a very intentional push to the downside to get these lows. So now we're starting to push to the upside. Oh my gosh. Bro, early mornings trying to talk is hard. Why did I choose streaming as a career?
So you get coffee or something?
I will get coffee in a bit. Yeah. I'll get coffee in a bit. I don't normally drink coffee like in the morning. I normally wait for me to get like fully wake up before I drink coffee. I found it's better for me and it lasts longer, but I'll go get coffee in a bit because I can't retype that, bro. Usually I go gym. I don't do legs. Guess I run often. So he doesn't do legs because he runs. You skip leg day.
Me?
Yeah.
If I'm running in morning and I have 2 days.
What a guy. Imagine skipping leg day. Imagine that guy. That type of guy, huh?
My legs is enough big. Not big chicken legs.
Chicken legs. Oh, yeah. Okay, let me call you a rookie, bro. You gonna accept that? Honestly, I wouldn't accept that, bro. I reckon you guys should have I don't know, a squat off. I hit legs twice a week. I stand on my legs. So like, I think that's enough, to be honest. I think it's more than enough. When you stand on your legs, right, you are technically putting weight on your legs. Do you know what I mean? So like, at the end of the day, you really don't need to be hitting it that often.
Yeah.
That's that's a good shout. I'm gonna have a standing desk soon.
You're gonna stand now?
Yeah.
All the stream you're gonna stand.
I hit tread twice a week. Is that it? And then when it comes to like arm workouts, I can't lie. The mouse movements. I have a heavy mouse. Do you know what I mean? It's like at least 1 gram. So like it's pretty heavy. And so me trying to move it around, trying to draw the charts and stuff 24/7, it does add up. Unfortunately, my right arm is a little bit, bigger than my left, for obvious reasons of moving my mouse.
You're right.
So yeah, there's that. Look at Caleb learned from his mistake. He's doing one emoji now, not spamming it. I'm gonna turn off Nightbot tomorrow. So the only reason why we have Nightbot is for that one guy. That one Donny that always pops up. You guys know him, the man, the myth, the legend, Ballypaw. We need to get Nightbot on him, on his case, but he hasn't turned up in a while. Someone might actually think you're being serious. Oh, what? My right arm being bigger than my left because of certain actions throughout the day? I mean, you know what, guys? It's up to you whether you believe it or not, do you know what I mean? I'm not one to judge. So don't judge me. Nah, I'm joking. It's a joke. It's a joke.
You sure?
I need to do a disclaimer right now. Okay, it's a joke. I use both. Oh, mad.
Shit,
This is why JP's winning life, man. He's winning life at any what's it called? Mad thing. Yeah, he's got a mad thing.
Yeah.
For your mouse movement, why would you use both for your mouse movement? That's my question. It's so beneficial to use one hand. It frees up your other hand for other things, do you know what I mean? You need to learn how to multitask. Or is your mouse too heavy? Yeah. Is that what it is, JP? That place is huge. Oh god, this took a turn, but rip JP's girlfriend though. Rest in peace. Oh my gosh. Rip. No cap. Nah, we need to confirm or deny this. You better get her in Discord and she'll confirm or deny. I reckon it's all cap, bro. It's all cap. London's open in 1 minute. I beat Elite Man to it, because I'm a legend.
Yep. I forgot to say that.
8 seconds. 8 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Bro,
1.
Kind of sus.
Open.
Who? Me? Nah, no way, bro. No way. Nah, never. I'm just curious, isn't it? It's not sus. It's curiosity. As a trader, guys, you have to understand. You have to be curious about everything as a trader. Okay, everything.
Yep.
You have to be questioning everything that everyone says and making sure whatever they say is true. So whether you get photographic image to make sure it's true, you have to do what you gotta do. Do you know what I mean? It happens. Nah,
well, guys, you need question
weird,
mark.
Let's pause. Pause, bro. Pause. Oh god. This would be creepy. This would be creepier with if I had a camera on, to be honest. I can't lie. So I'm glad my webcam is on my other setup and it's not on this one. It's good. Jesus. Oh god, what happened to the stream, man? This is what happens when the deal's not on. This is what happens. There's no control. There's no control in the stream, man. So whatever happens, happens. Okay, no, we're taking the highs out now, boys. Okay, so what I'm anticipating is a bearish momentum to start forming over here. So as soon as this level is hit, I anticipate a big push to the downside here. We shall see, though. This is actually closer to a deal strategy than anything. Well, before he added trend lines and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'll wait for that. So we did sweep the highs. And then we'll obviously try to take the lows over here. We are obviously at the highs of the session at the moment, which is good because we have a balanced volume profile overall, right? So we're anticipating price to go down into before chopsticks. Yeah, before chopsticks, bro. Man's eating ramen with that. You know, when we were talking about ramen, it reminded him. He was like, "Oh yeah, chopsticks," and then that's when he had it on his charts.
Yeah. Don't say you are hungry now.
Yeah, straight facts, straight. I actually had ramen last night for dinner, so ooh, lovely.
Like every day.
Yeah, like every day, yeah. You guys ever tried to make fresh ramen? But it takes so long. So long to make fresh ones, man. Unless you got like what's it called? That pressure cooker or whatever. Lifesaver. Sorry, besides the point. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna wait for a 30-minute close. Or something. And then we'll see if we can either finish above or finish below. So I'm thinking of 2 entries for this one, right? So either we just enter straight away.
Beans.
Nah, I'm Mexican. I eat beans. To be fair, I really want to try that birria taco thing. That looks really nice. I can't lie. That birria taco looks beautiful. It's one of the most appetizing food I've seen on, like, you know when you see something as a picture, normally it's like, oh, it's alright, I guess. But now when you see that, it's like, oh, I'd hit. Do you know what I mean? I'd hit. I'm Eastern, so potatoes. Damn, bro. What are you doing with potatoes?
What? You don't like potatoes?
Potatoes good and all, yeah. Fries and stuff, I guess, but like, a bit boring, don't you think? Bit boring. Then I can't speak. Agent eats rice a lot, so I don't speak too much.
Well, probably you guys don't
Potatoes are
have so
best.
much land for.
I
to
can't
grow
lie, rice is
potatoes.
better than potato in my opinion. I can't lie. Can't lie in terms of carbs, bro. Rice is so much better.
I don't know. Potatoes better. It's good for meat. Good for fish. Which?
And rice isn't.
Not really.
What the hell are you doing, man? You're doing it. You're cooking wrong. You're cooking wrong, mate. What do you mean
That's
rice?
why I don't eat rice because I eat more potatoes.
The only like time I eat potatoes with fish is fish and chips, mate. I don't know what you're chatting.
Maybe you make potatoes wrong. That's why.
Maybe I make potatoes wrong. Maybe. Yeah, we are respecting these, or not respecting it. We are breaking these highs, and there are definitely sellers getting involved in these highs. You can see the reaction to this level, right? Now for a bulk potatoes, yeah, but I'm not bulking. If I bulk by accident, so be it. But I'm not intentionally bulking. Do you know what I mean? I guess in I'm gonna be that guy that is a bit that's skinny guys, I guess. I don't know. It's not intentional, right? I was trying to bulk at one point, like literally eating so much rice, so much protein, but it just didn't work. It just didn't. So I was like, all right, fine, sap that off, mate. Yeah, that's my friend about it, because we both tried to gain as much weight, because he struggles to gain weight as well. But he's massive, so he's got an excuse because he's tall, so he struggles to gain weight. But for me, I'm not that tall. I'm like what, 5'11". So it really shouldn't be a struggle to be gaining weight, but it is for me.
How much in centimeter is? How much is centimeter?
Hey Siri, ask Enigma, bro. How tall is 5'11" in centimeters? 5'11" feet. Centimeters. You sure you want it in centimeters? Or you want it in meters? Because I don't think you want it in centimeters, do you? Yeah, I'll tell you in meters. Alright.
I think it should be almost same height if I am.
5'11".
Oh shit.
Why am I as tall as you?
I think, yep.
It's 1.83 meters.
How much?
1.803 meters. Well, 1.8 meters basically, yeah.
I'm 8 centimeters smaller.
Aha!
You're bigger if I.
I'm taller.
Oh shit.
That's right, I'm built different. I sleep different. I eat different.
Because you don't sleep, you work too much.
Yeah, that's true too.
That's right.
This is why I had a stunt in my growth, because I stopped sleeping. Grinding Forex. That's what it was. I would have been 6 foot if I didn't work so hard. It's facts. It's factual, 100%.
Yep. I agree.
Don't be disputing science, man. Calum in the Discord. Calum isn't in Discord. Send through that diet. I'll analyze it. Oh crap! We got Sigma males gonna be comparing what's it called? Comparing diets. That's mad. Do you guys do your food prep, by the way? Oh, okay. Oh, you're on buys. I can see why you're taking buys, to be fair. I'm waiting for a 30-minute close or something. See why he's taking buys. Look at 5 minute. Yeah. I'm surprised you didn't take the buy sooner. I'm waiting for shorts. Yeah, so am I can't lie, but yeah, I guess we just gotta wait longer, I guess. I thought you would have been buys here, no? 7.55. Yeah, is that why you took the buys? Yeah. I thought so. Yeah. There you go. If you guys wanted to see JP's edge, there it is. Steal it all, boys. He's scared of people. Take notes.
Cheap daddy.
Normally, you would have to pay £200,000 to get his course, but for free, I show you guys his analysis. There you go. We accept donations here in Enigma. Just send it through.
Yeah. Help the grow the business.
Not yet. So yeah, we're looking. I mean, I see the buys, and you're probably already up quite a bit. I'd imagine. Hold on. Let's look at longs. Yeah, you're up a little decent amount, almost like 1-to-1. Yeah, 1-to-1. Pretty decent. Man, smashing it. Keep going, bro. Keep going, GJ. But I am waiting for shorts. More candle goes down. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm anticipating now is obviously we're gonna sweep these highs. Fair enough, make new highs of the session, of the day, whatever. But overall, I do anticipate price to go down into these levels and start collapse down. We shall see. I wonder if Adil still goes gym right now. We haven't had an update on his gym sesh.
I think yesterday he was.
JP is GJ daddy. Not wrong. He does. That's good. Do you guys go together, by the way? Cause like having that gym for someone to go gym with you, it's mad. I don't know about daddy. Yeah, sorry, it's a bit of a sus thing, but you have to deal with it, mate.
Yep.
We're boxing tomorrow.
Oh shit!
Oh jeez, you're sparring. How long you been boxing for? Because he's only been going for quite a bit, so yeah, we don't want him to come out with a black eye. I did MMA for 5 years. He's knocked out, mate. Try not to put him in a chokehold, because I did MMA for a bit, right? And it was good. But yeah, I'll go light on him. I wouldn't take him completely easy though. But yeah, I mean, but do go easy on him, bro. We don't want him to be in the hospital for the next week or so. We need him to pass his FTMO. Do you know what I mean? This guy calls everybody daddy. Hey, what's up with that? He's got to deal with it, boys. I guess. My ground game better, to be fair. To be fair, when the MMA I went to yeah, they focused more on submission and stuff, so it wasn't really a lot of striking. There was some striking. But yeah. I can throw a punch, I guess, but yeah, I wouldn't go against proper boxers. Don't be jealous. You can't be Forex daddy. What the hell? What's with the
But ask about saying that.
It's just a joke.
It was you, Mark, who was starting that.
Did I didn't start that. No, it was what's his name?
It was James, I think.
What?
Or
no, it wasn't.
It
James.
was James.
No, someone started it because I don't know. It was someone in the Discord. They're not very active anymore. But I called some sick back-to-back gold trades or something, and then I guess they caught it. It started with that. That's when the daddy stuff happened, and then Elite Man started calling it what's it called, James, EU daddy because he kept
Yeah.
getting good trades. That's the story of the daddy stuff, I guess. Just let it happen.
Yep.
I'm like, you guys do whatever you want, bro. Yeah, bro, that's sus on the Discord. I can't lie. I don't get to look at the Discord much anymore, as much as I used to, because I just got quite a bit to do. But yeah, and I see it when I scroll back. I'm like, what the hell is this, man? They need to get a room, bro. We need to make them a private room just for them to. That's for sure. Just funny, man. So there you go. JP just made his 1 to 3 right there. Living life, living large. So what I heard is yeah, food on JP. Yeah, look at that. There you are, JP. There it is. Let's see if he caught this 1 to 3 yet. Food on me, boys. Yeah, nah, for sure. If I go Bristol right now, yeah. If I drive to Bristol right now, food on you, yeah. Say less. Deal checks it at work. He checks what at work? Oh, the Discord. Oh, does he? Funny, because when he's at home, he doesn't check the Discord, so he only checks it on company time. That's funny, man. Bro, my guy checks up on Discord during work more than he does when he's at home. That's different.
Well, probably slow days then.
Oh, God.
And boring.
We buying. What we buying? What are you buying, new? Gold? GJ?
By what?
I don't know, that's what I'm asking, new.
No.
I got you all you could eat. Oh, we eating good? we eating good. Yeah, no, GJ buys, missed it. I'm still waiting for a push to the downside, I can't lie. I called it out. Call out, yeah, elite man for closing early. Well, I call it out. Yeah, see, even Caleb, a beginner, knows you close out too early, bro. Come on now, come on, bro. You know you're doing something wrong when you get told by someone who just started a week ago. So, come on, bro. You need to sort that out. Tell him, Caleb. If not, we'll send you to Estonia, and you can sort him out from there.
What did he close now?
Usually
I didn't trade any at the moment, so.
Yeah, I'm not in a trade at the moment. I thought you would have taken gold something. Little gold.
No.
Some. Yeah, we'll get you to Estonia. You can make blood sausages, but out of Wait, is it not? Isn't it?
And potatoes.
Is it normally goat blood?
Feed your boys potatoes.
Is it normally goat blood or? What is blood sausages made of? Do you know?
It should be potato blood. Some
but
animal
blood?
skin
What?
and I don't know the English stuff. How to say English?
What do you mean talking about sausages too much, bro? I was gonna just make the joke of you can make it out of his blood. It doesn't have to be sausage. It could have been blood patty for all I care. It didn't have to be sausages, bro. Just so happened it was sausages. Can't be calling me sus for that, man.
What the fuck?
Bro. Nightbot got you. Nightbot got you, bro.
Yeah, he did it again.
Nightbot got him, bro. He forgot the spam. I need to remove Nightbot. I'll remove it by next stream. So by tomorrow, Nightbot will be gone. So you guys can start spamming your emojis again. He's more of a nuisance than a bloody, positive. So Nightbot can leave.
Can't you change the systems or something?
No what?
The bot.
Port 8 O's. His English isn't his first language, man. I can't be doing that, bro. Can't be doing that. Can't be doing that.
Sorry.
Port 8 O's. God damn, got me stumped, bro. I don't know what to say that after that. Like, I'm done. That's it. Stream done. He's got you. It's stream done. End the stream forever.
Bye. Everyone have good time.
Yeah, that's fine. Joking.
So it's all good. Because no trade at moment
No trades.
for us.
Bro, you're lucky I wasn't looking for a trade, because if I was, I would have blamed you for missing it. For, you know. I was too stunned to speak for a bit. I'm in a trade. What trade? What trade?
I think he say.
Yeah, DJ buys. You're gonna continue this buy? I already had one win. EA. I was gonna say
EA.
you're not continuing these buys, bro. Euro AUD. It was like it's not like there we go. See, that makes more sense. So when News buying around these lows, I was like, yeah, that makes sense. I was like, for GJ, there's no way. There's no way you're buying from that high. Okay, let's see if we can take these daily highs and start to reverse. We'll see. As of right now, like, the session volume profile is looking a little bit less balanced now. Obviously, you can see this is actually a good example of how not every plan, you know, actually works out. You can see that it started off obviously as a balanced volume profile. If we just went ahead and just executed like straight away, obviously we look at that, we would have got tapped out straight away there, right? So that's why we wait for confirmations. Obviously we pay in terms of confirmations. If you wait for them, you pay for them in pips, because obviously when you wait for a confirmation, you get a less you know, what's it called, not as good as a price if you just entered straight away. But with that, you also could say that you're getting paid in terms of maybe higher win rate or higher probability chance if you actually working out. So there's that. Wait and see for this one. We may end up retesting this previous session high over here. GJ 161166. Okay. Is that your 1 to 5? 1 to 5 is here. Oh, we're eating good then, JP. Then is that right? Eating good.
He's beast.
Nobu on JP, bro.
It's like 57 pips, I think.
Oh, you know what? Nah, we got Wagamamas on JP, bro. Move stops and everything. Oh, you do? Yeah, so you move your stops this time. Okay. Are you trying it out then? You trying out to do your Oh, this might be it, you know. We have taken the highs. We can see if we can continue rallying throughout the day. As I said, once we break this level right here, there is a good chance we end up going all the way up to the 4-hour level anyway. So you could end up trying out your, you know, your not scalings, your move stops to break, not move stops, yeah, your trading stops to get as many, you know, 1 to whatever. I'd say 1 to 10. I reckon that'd be good. As we discussed yesterday. It might be it, man. This might be it. What day is today? Thursday? I mean, we didn't get as far as Thursday to back testing, but yeah, could be it, man. Big Thursday. Shall we call it? Thursday is payday for this type of strategy. Is there US news today? Elite man? You're the squawk.
There was.
Yeah?
Yep. 13. Advanced CPD.
Okay. Oh, so everything remained the same.
They expected lower.
Okay, expected lower, okay.
CPD price index, the lower. Good orders, lower. Durable good orders, higher. Unemployment claims up, and other is minors. And new 15 is new home sales, the lower. And tomorrow we score peace price index, US, and pending home sale.
Nice. That's tomorrow's news, something we need to look out for. I'm pretty sure there was only like a few big news today, from what I know. So the main one is jokes. Yeah, the main one's jokes.
Yep.
Yeah. Facts. So yeah, I'm waiting for this now to break down below, trying to get this level again. So we're currently up 1, 2, 1. Was it 1? I don't know, 0.8 still. But wait and see. Obviously, by the time we get to the bottom of this range, we'll be at 1.83. So if we secure partials, it doesn't even have to be half. Yeah. So we can start going. Hold on, someone just send their. Where is it at? Where's the diet? Sheesh. Do you mind if I share it to everyone before I share it to everyone?
Holy crack.
I don't even know how many people are watching, so it might not even matter that much. Yeah, okay, dude, bro. Cool. Let's do it. Let's analyze this, man. So, oh my god, 200 grams of protein. That's my body weight in chicken, man. What you doing? Jeez. 2 raw eggs, 2 cups of oatmeal. What, you just drink? You're just drinking raw eggs? Is that what's? Is that the vibe? 1 to 2, 26,200,000. It's trading stocks here, boys. Nice. Okay, so 2 raw eggs. So when you wake up, you eat 2 cups of oatmeal. 8 o'clock. Damn, man, you are built.
I like the meal 5.
Yeah, can you? Yeah, don't paralyze the deal, please. This man's dangerous. This man's a threat to society. I'm telling you, 2 raw eggs. Damn. Man said raw eggs. Alright, cool. 2 cups of oatmeal. Workout. Okay, nice. Good stuff. Meal 2, 200 grams protein. Oh, 200 grams of chicken breast. I don't know why I say protein. Brown rice. See, he eats rice. You don't see potatoes here, do you? Yeah, that's right, elite man. Post-workout protein shake. Damn. Meal 3. Okay, in spring water. By the way, why is spring water such a a main thing? When you want to do, like, you don't know, what's got unsaturated fats or something, or are you trying to cut that fat? So, flavor. Oh, okay, it's flavor. Got you. Not dry. Yeah. Alright, with 200 grams brown rice with spinach. Jeez. Oh, man went for more raw eggs. 4. You're getting 6 a day. You're eating 6 eggs. Oh my god, bro. Fair enough. That's a lot of eggs. That's a lot of eggs, bro. I can't lie. How? Damn. No. What? Okay. See, this is why I did my bulking wrong. I guess I didn't eat enough. Oh my god. Bro, hide your life, hide your kids. Whatever mum makes. I like that. I love that. You can't be choosy. Whatever's there, that is there. Do you know what I mean? I rate that. And then meal 6, protein shake. So,
yes, boys.
Hey, there
Oh, who's here?
The real protein shake is here. You know what I mean?
Protein yogurt, milk. Man heard the diet and he came running into the Zoom call, bro.
Of course. Bro, you mentioned diet, I'm summoned.
He just came out of nowhere.
What, did someone say gym? What? Oh.
I heard you're sparring Caleb, bro. You're about to get paralysis.
Yeah. I said to him, you might as well just start sparring, you know. I was meant to spar Mark, but we never see each other, so.
Mark was too much of a pussy to spar. Nah.
Well, he said it, not me.
I'd knock you out easy.
Yeah, that's why we haven't sparred.
I got that reach. I got that reach, bro. You know what I mean?
That's why. What? 2 inches of reach, yeah.
I'm slender, man. At the end of the day, bro.
Me too. Oh, I'm so slender. I get self-conscious of how slender.
Oh man, I got deep quick, bro.
Talking about how I reach, bro. But anyway, on GJ, I did catch the buys.
Oh, did you? Nice. I was looking for short.
I've been buying from basically 160,600, but I think basically the first couple of entries. So I had a break even first.
Mm-hmm.
Then the next one got stopped out at about 0.5% profit because I was trailing very aggressively.
Yeah,
right? I'll show my entries in a sec.
Yeah, I thought you might be.
Then I took a very tiny loss trying to buy like 160,800. Then I got the best entry was 160,856.
Hold on.
Held out for about 20-30 pips, 2.2k on that one. So beautiful stuff. So for the day, around 1.5%, 2%, and 0.5% up on the account. So beautiful
Nice.
stuff.
W's around all around the board, bro. Everyone gives everyone
Took
W.
one L on EU earlier, the bitch. But you know, we made up for it on GJ.
Such a toxic relationship, isn't it? You love EU and then you're like
You're
No, the
bitch now.
toxic one's meant to be GJ, but I think scalping is really where it's at.
yeah,
from what
my
it looks
boy
like.
did good. Yeah, nah.
He's
He's not gonna get analysis paralysis. He's gonna get a right hook, left hook paralysis, bro. At least gonna get later on.
Who's this?
You, bro. When you spar Caleb, bro. It's gonna go mad.
Yeah. The thing is, he said he's done 5 years of
Yeah,
MMA.
He has.
So I kept asking him how good you're striking, and he stayed quiet. He didn't say anything. I was like, "How much striking did you do?"
Well, Oscar's back at boxing. He's doing twice a week now, boxing, because obviously.
Yeah, no, I was messaging Oscar.
He's chilling. He's big chilling now.
He said he's in caveman mode, bro.
Yeah, he is. He's big chilling right now. So yeah.
Yeah, I'll show. Can I show him?
Yeah, the guy I used to spar, 6'3", 6'4", 100 kg.
Bless you.
And did boxing for
you.
a bit. That's the guy I was
Oh,
sparring.
bro.
I had to learn. I had to learn quick to dodge
sparring.
his punches, bro.
I hate sparring these tall donnies. I don't care if they're skinny or fat, bro. Tall people are so hard to box properly. Because literally, as soon as you try, especially like when you're inexperienced, you try getting in range, all they have to do is stick their jab out. And
Be quicker.
you don't.
Just be quicker, bro. What are you talking about? Just be quicker.
Nah.
Just touch that.
Oscar especially, I'm stay away.
Nah, Oscar's tough. This I can't lie.
Oscar's big as well, isn't it? He's
Oscar's
got muscle,
he's
man.
it's not like he, you know. Plus his right hook deadly. He could literally paralyze me, man.
Yeah, bro. Trust me.
You're a couple inches taller. Nah, but this guy it was 6'4". Yeah, he's a beast to be fair. If he stuck to boxing since when he was started, bro, he'd be a beast right now.
Who's this? Oscar?
Oscar, yeah, he'd be a beast.
Yeah, trust me.
But too bad, he went to MMA for a bit, and then I was like, oh crap, I gotta quit for a bit. Gotta go.
Oh, nice. JP got it too. Beautiful.
JP got the bit. Yeah,
I thought JP would have got it. I can't lie.
If anyone would have got it out of everyone in the Discord, it would have been JP. Yeah. The buys.
What should I do? I'll share my screen.
Yeah, 1 second.
I don't think anyone can do anything with the FTMO account number, really.
Nah, I don't think
no
so.
hackers
I think
in the chat.
everyone sees it anyways, right? So it's fine.
It's just a challenge anyway. Like, bro, if someone's gonna hack my challenge, do it. I don't care.
Well, what if they lose it for you?
JP, if you hack it, I love it. Don't worry. You can hack my FTMO.
Probably James gonna do.
Yeah, James. Oh, how's his FTMO going?
James,
anyway?
I think James is up like maybe 4 or 5, maybe or something like that. I'd imagine.
Nice.
Right now, I'd say he's probably finished next week, but obviously I don't want to jinx him, so
Yeah.
I'll make 3%. I'll smack 3% on that 1 to 5.
Yeah. So I was the analysis obviously was we had key levels here. Little retest of a trend line here. I think my first entry was this 5-minute bullish candle. Before I go back, actually, I'll go on the 1 hour time frame.
He had the exact same trend line as you as well.
Yeah, I thought so. Let me hide this bloody control. Yeah. So the reason I was looking for buys today, obviously, first of all, this 1 hour candle at 6 a.m. So I was looking for buys the hour before too. I think I had one entry right at the end. Because it's a doji candle, but technically we're in recent bullish structure. Here, obviously bearish, but I was looking at the most recent candle, doji candle, previous was bullish. So we're more likely to push up on the next. And we ended up doing that. Then this candle closed very strongly. Clear liquidity here. We're at a zone. So I figured if the next candle wicks down and pushes up, especially since we broke this trend line here, high chance of pushing up.
Bro, just like all the stops, man.
Yeah, so I think my first entry was around here, right? We had... Apologies for not marking it on trading view. Obviously, this is what it looks like.
Yeah, that's fair enough, JP. That's part of the game, man. It'll take its time before you can really fully start to do like the holding.
So this is what I was doing. Basically, my first entry was here. We rejected the zone and then pushed up, and there's a trend line here. So I figured I could maybe get an early entry, then trail my stop quickly. And of course, targets for all these zones here.
For now, JP. for now.
Look, yeah. So my thinking was, if I do catch a buy here, we're eventually going to fill in this clean zone here.
Yes, for sure. That's
Clear
what,
order
yeah.
block way in. I think if I catch this could be the one.
Yeah.
Obviously that's not why I took it. The analysis is why I took it, but
Nah, it's because it was the one, isn't it? It's because it was the one.
I was in the back of my head. I was thinking, you know what? This could be the winning trade. You know?
Yeah.
So my first entry is here. As you can see, I trail my stop way too quickly.
Scalping. Look at this.
Yeah, I trail my stop way too quickly. Right, pushed up. But you know, it's part of my strategy. Then pushed down, took me out. I thought, okay, let's try again.
Yeah.
Pushes up here. I thought, okay, pushed up. I should have trailed this one. I should have just kept it at break even.
Yeah.
Because the way I trail my stop losses with swing highs and swing lows.
Yeah.
I think at this point I was so up. I figured, okay, we got a swing high low here. I tricked myself, and I trailed it below this here. But of course, that was still a little bit of profit. I believe 500.
That's not bad.
From there, I missed all this move here, so because I was out of the trade. Here was the big boy entry. This candle light here. Then I trailed it here, swing high low, trailed it here. At this point, I'm still in the trade, and I figured, wait, what if I just enter again? We're clearly getting a strong candle close. If this wicks down and pushes up, then I can just have 2 entries. Then FTMO really will be passed in a sec.
Same.
And obviously, it's all lining up with the strategy, right?
Yeah.
So then I'm in this entry already from 160837. Then we push up. Then we pushed up this 5-minute kind of wick down, pushed up. I just trailed it way too quickly. I was a little scared because, you know, I was already in a winning trade. I was like, do I really want to risk my profits?
Part of the challenge, isn't it?
But yeah, part of the strategy again, failed to break even straight away. That's how I trade right now. Pushed up. So got tapped out of that, but the other one I was just trading it here. Pushed up, swing low, swing low, swing low. And finally here, I think because we had such a large candle here, I figured the way I do it is if we get a massive push but there's no swing low, I'll secure a little bit of that.
Nice.
You know, you don't want to be up 100 pips, but because there's no swing low, you just, you know, don't do anything.
Yeah, no, for sure. That's exactly
And then look, turns out to be the amazing decision because
he started to reverse. That's a good call.
Exactly. And
good
now,
call.
We is out.
What does JP mean? Say mums, that's the 1 minute on GJ. Yeah, man, what do you mean?
Yeah, that's the 1 minute.
He's on the 1 minute, bro. He's on that.
It's using it's using the 5 minute
on your
trade.
FTMO. Yeah, bro. Of course he'll use 1 minute on FTMO.
Brother, I've done this before. You remember Bilal's challenge?
Yeah.
That's how I passed his.
Oh yeah, you did, didn't you? Yeah.
Yeah. I can't lie. It's so
you
much
did Bilal's challenge as well.
That was ages ago.
Should have given it to me as well, but we were trying to do it together. But I was like, nah, you guys, you got it.
You know what's funny? It was the Head and Shoulders that won the challenge.
What the hell? How does Head and Shoulders?
Head and Shoulders? Are you crazy?
Back to the old ways. Bro, why is it? Is it like the season of trend lines or something like that? Because like I see too many
so
times
funny.
these trend lines.
My strategy right now is everything from the past 4 years combined.
That's exactly mine as well too. If I can't lie to you, it just
yeah, it is, isn't it?
Except I took the trend lines away, but no hate.
Yeah, you'll be using them soon. What, we're gonna convert Mark, JP? Watch it.
You lot are mad. That's what they said about SMC as well. Oh, you'll be using SMC. No, nah.
Oh yeah, no. It's funny because I've mostly dropped SMC recently. So.
Can't wait for what's his name? Riz and Raj's podcast. So.
I can't wait until we're on the podcast.
No, it's coming. It's coming out now. By the way, it's coming out.
No, I saw it. What time?
11 o'clock. Well, it's in 11 hours or something.
So what's this? By the way, it took just over. What if I don't want to trade?
Yeah, so I think he was up 1 to 5. I think he was up quite a bit, but he took out a 1 to 5, which is a good call to be fair. JP, it was a really good call. Okay, so we took the high, so we didn't finish above this level. We did take it, but we didn't finish above it. We could potentially start to dip back down below now. So we'll see.
Sharing. Yeah, JP. The 1 minute is purely just for trailing stops. I don't use it. I'm not trading on the 1 minute. Don't worry. I hated that last time.
Alrighty, boys. Alrighty for gold. If I was still in this trade, right, I'd be trading my stops a little bit here now. I'd be trading my stop over here. I'm just like analyzing as if I did trade it. Obviously, it's still data point that I can use. It's still experience I can use. Was gonna ask you at work, to be fair. Trend lines work, I swear. Trend lines are. I mean, I get. It depends on how you use your trend line. To be fair, I've seen JP use his trend lines. His trend lines work. I've seen people use trend lines and trend lines they just waffle about. Do you know what I mean? And it's same thing with my strategy. Sometimes some people could use my strategy with the VWAP, right? Some people can use a VWAP and waffle around it, or some people can use it properly. I don't know which side I'm on quite yet, but you know, it is what it is. And some people can use support resistance properly. Some people don't use support resistance properly. I think it all depends on how you use it. Seems like you know, this trend line works for a deal, so yeah.
Oh, what is this? Caleb saying it? Trend lines work,
Yeah.
I swear. Yeah, of course. It's all about what you got to remember is I haven't purely just sat there, looked at a trend line, and thought I'm taking a trade because of the trend line. We combine, like anyone who uses trend lines well, as in successfully, they're combining it with other things. Whether it's, for example, I was just talking about the candles themselves.
Right.
What does it look like while it's making the bottom wick? I don't think, Caleb, you know what that means yet, but I'll obviously explain it to you. But while the candle's actually being made, we're always watching, okay, how's it being made? Like Mark just said, the support and resistance zones. Just trend lines alone, yeah, it works, but trading is usually about combining everything.
For example, like this example right here, boys. All right, so I'm saying, obviously, I was quite nitpicky with this one because I literally just went, you know, I went and tried to look for this one, but you can see we had a massive impulse to the downside, right? We did break this trend line right here, and to be fair, in my opinion, regardless of what trend lines you use at the time, it still would have been a broken trend line. You would have taken the sells over here. Stop losses depends up here, or wherever you want to do it. You can see that it would reverse to the upside here. So again, it depends on how you use your trend line. For this one, maybe you could have waited for actually, because it made a new low, maybe I wait for the third point that way, or like this. And then obviously you wouldn't got faked out for that. It's all up to the person that actually use it. So some person's trend line could be like this, the other person's can be like that, and they would have lost. Same with support resistance though. Someone's support resistance can be around here, they're alright, but someone's support resistance could be here and they would have lost. It's all subjective. That's but you just have to be able to like define where you put your support resistance, and you should be able to do it consistently every single time. Euro dollar, what's going on? Gold is pushing up, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, what did euro dollar do?
No,
Did it do anything?
GJ, look at that. We swept the
Yeah.
highs. Let's see if we can create, if we can start to make lows or something, or start becoming bearish here, or we're just gonna consolidate. Let's find out.
Yeah, I was looking for buys on EU, but GJ took priority then.
GJ did take priority for the first time in so.
And and after that loss on EU, I was like, maybe it's not.
I got trailing. What was that? I got TL on this trade. Haha.
I think it means trend line.
Oh, I got trend line.
Think. What else could it mean?
New trend lines. What's with your chopsticks analysis, bro? What's going on?
I swear, New doesn't use trend line. What's going on here?
That's what I mean, bro. It's becoming a you know, the trend line season.
Isn't it?
It's JP, I think. JP.
I think JP did something, bro.
This group, bro. Brought disease, man. A deal back on the chopsticks.
Yeah, the OG. Doritos or chopsticks, JP? Alright, chopsticks for me, Doritos for you. Yeah.
Use it for visuals. Yeah. Eventually.
Yeah, I use it, but just for visual. What sort of cap
starts.
is that?
Yeah.
Just for visual.
That's how it all starts. Oh, just like looking at the trend.
I bought support resistance for visuals, bro. What are you talking about, visuals?
Need to be aware of all types of trends. Yeah, dude. Yeah. All right.
I might as well put an Ichimoku cloud on, bro, for visuals.
For visuals, do you know what I mean?
For visuals, bro. You know, come on. For visuals. Let's put the RSI on, boys.
Oh, what's going on? Visuals. You'll come onto this group, wreaking havoc, right? On New, roasting New. What's going on? Came onto this group.
Have the tables turned?
Yeah. He came onto the call just to roast New and his visuals, bro.
Yeah. What do I reckon on GJ?
GJ 159.
I reckon, yeah, could retest here and keep pushing up maybe, but it depends on the 5 minutes.
He has his W, so he's allowed, I suppose. I mean, you didn't say he's allowed, but yeah, I suppose you're right.
Alright, that'll be the deal from now on, yeah, New.
Yeah.
He'll be brave today. Yeah, I will be brave, New. For today.
he got his 0.5s. He got his 0.5s.
I'm brave now. Watch when I get FTMO, New. You're getting roasted every day.
Even though he blew his account, but I got FTMO though. Yeah, but I got FTMO though.
Wait, who blew that account?
No, even when you do blow your FTMO account, yeah, but I had FTMO though. That's what you're gonna be like.
Oh yeah, even after.
Yeah, so I had FTMO though. Did you?
Yeah. Let's hope we don't blow the account.
Just like how I got with the lead man. But yeah, what colour's your FTMO, bro?
Yeah, that was hilarious.
Poor guy.
Yeah, 5 minute. I think if it closes back above 16093.94, let me break the high. Could be a little retest trade.
Chilling.
Dangerous though, because that 15-minute was a heavy rejection of an order block, and then potentially this could be the reversal zone. But it's tricky now because obviously you've got the main move. I would say is done, at least for our session. From here, reversals are tricky.
Dixie needs some strength, man. Dixie needs strength back for sure. What's going on? We're breaking this low right here. If we end up actually breaking this low proper, we're gonna go down to like bloody 100. That's low. Dixie's like dying. Someone give it CPR, bro. It needs help. Look at that.
Yeah, probably going for 100.5 in it. Is that 100.5?
It is 100.5, yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah.
Yeah, grab that last bit of liquidity, maybe.
I'm thinking it's gonna
obviously
push up from
this
here,
is more
honestly,
so
but
based
we'll
on
see.
fundamentals too, but they usually line up.
Yeah, for sure. But if you guys are wondering what that was on my screen, let me try and find it. It was this. It was my and JP's little experiment, but I deleted it also. That's private information for now. You guys will know. You guys will know it soon.
What's that?
It was a discussion between me and JP. A secret, top secret.
Yeah, I saw you.
JP, don't never tell. JP won't tell. You guys can torture him. You guys can bloody, you know. He won't tell. Top secret, exactly. You guys will know one day.
Hey, bro, how much should I risk per trade?
No. I mean, I said the whole account. If he asks,
Yeah.
If he asks, I'm like the whole account, mate. Right?
Oh, the secret is we go full margin on every single trade.
Secret is we don't lose.
We don't lose, bro. So it doesn't matter what you risk if you don't lose.
Facts.
You know?
Facts. At the end of the day, who cares if you you know, who cares if you use your entire margin if you don't lose? Who cares? No one.
Yeah.
Except
Yeah,
FTMO.
what
FTMO
time
probably
is it?
start to do something.
6 p.m. for that podcast. That's gonna be sick, man. Because obviously, anyone who doesn't know, well, obviously, I think most people won't know. Riz, basically, there's a smart money concept trader. I used to be in that group actually.
You did. That was.
He's doing a podcast. He's doing a podcast with Raja Banks, who's literally the opposite. He's a breakout trader, price action trader. So like Riz, who's the smart money trader, he trades using the liquidity of Raja Banks.
Yeah.
Right.
So one's
But obviously, they both
knowledgeable,
work. They
one's
both have made it
knowledgeable,
work.
The other one is a marketing genius. So we see.
Yeah. According to Mark, yeah, he says it's 6 p.m. I can try and find a link actually.
Yeah,
you
me and
wanna
Liam
send
had a
link too?
conversation about it. I can't, because to me, right, with these breakout traders, they pick and choose what type of support resistance they want to actually keep in mind. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes they leave a major support resistance in the 4 hour. They're like, nah, it's not that major. It doesn't matter. But like, it could have been.
Do
easy
people do
reversal
that?
from there.
Do people do that?
Some breakout traders do. I'm not sure if Raja does, but
Successful ones.
maybe.
That sounds weird, though. Isn't it?
How many successful
Like,
breakout
what's that,
traders
and they
are
see
there?
us straight
The only
up.
people I really know, I guess, are like, well, that I know of, breakout traders, I guess, Raja and
Yeah. I don't know what's u2.de.
then again, I have no example for a successful trader like that trades like me. Actually, I do. Sean Lee. There you go.
Sean Lee trades like you, yeah.
Sean Lee. No, yeah, Sean. I trade like Sean Lee. I would say. I guess he's
No, I
a
was
little
just
bit
gonna,
more,
yeah.
a little bit higher up compared to me, but
No, I was just gonna say it sounds weird if someone just straight up ignores a resistance. You're not really a breakout trader if you're just ignoring.
no, because like they look
Yeah.
at the lower time frame, right, and they only look at the immediate one. But let's say sometimes there's going to be a 4 hour zone over here that you're not. Gonna
Oh
keep in
yeah,
mind.
you're saying somewhere like
Yeah, some people just
they just stay on the lower time frames essentially.
exactly.
Yeah. I guess the way I do it is I don't really check the 4 hour one. I just go on the 15-minute because it's the same thing.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're right.
And just zoom out and see where the bounces are.
So people don't zoom out. They don't see the bigger picture, and that's my issue.
Yeah,
Sometimes
some are way
yeah.
too zoomed, and they're like,
Yeah,
"Okay,
yeah.
what happened in the past day?
What happened in the
past
last minute,
Where
Ben?"
did price bounce?" I used to do that actually, and then if you just zoom out a little bit, you'll see, oh wait, there's actually a level here, but price isn't reacting to now. But back then, there's been heavy bounces 3, 4, 5 times.
Yeah.
Maybe I should pay attention.
Although it's the same thing for like smart money traders as well. Although sometimes they are too zoomed in the hour and they don't see the other support resistance.
Yeah,
they just
I get-
shoot for the
yeah.
1 to 20 and hope for the best. Do you know what I mean? But
Oh yeah, 100%. Smart money. For example, in that group, I'm not trying to bash it, but there was like a thing where they said 1 to 5 is you should aim for 1 to 5 or 1 to 3. But looking back now, or even recently, when I've done my back testing, so on and so forth, or just logic alone, it's better to target actual structural levels and resistance, liquidity, so on and so forth, compared to just like a fixed risk reward.
Yeah.
I don't understand that part, to be honest.
I mean,
I
JP
get
has
it,
JP has a fixed
I get
one,
it, right?
so,
I know, I saw JP does that, but like,
Yeah.
if you see in your data, okay, price always hits the 1 to 5, and it's for a lot of data you've got. You
Yeah,
say
yeah,
price hits 1 to 5 basically every single time. Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough. But if you think logically, let's say you've got a level at your 1 to 4, like a clear level, price is bouncing off it every single time, and then you're in your head saying, well, I've got to target 1 to 5. So,
Yeah.
so price reaches the 1 to 4. It's a clear level. You can even see it with your eyes. You know what?
Yeah.
Price might reject from here, but because it's in my rules, I'm not going to take any profit here.
That's
I guess for JP, it must be working.
So
right?
no, the difference with JP is he always looks if it's actually if it's a clean level to the 1 to 5, or
then there you go.
Yeah,
That's where the difference comes in, right?
Yeah. Well, some people just have it as 1 to 5 just because it's like 1 to 5 rather than it makes
Yeah,
sense
it's
to
a
be
bit
1 to
silly.
5. Yeah, that's the issue.
1 to 1 works because it's so
Yeah.
close. It usually is within range anyway.
Yeah, normally. Whereas for me, I have different. I have different risk rewards all the time. I don't think I ever had. You know, I rarely have the same risk reward.
Yeah, I'm just trailing it now, so I'm maximizing on each one.
No, I have a set target, but I do trail it.
Yeah.
I do both. But that's only in
To
live
be
markets.
fair, that's one thing I was. That's one thing I was thinking today. For example, you know how in GJ we had that clean zone at 161,300.
Yeah.
I figured if price does reach there, surely I want to take everything off. Because at that point I'll be up 40, 50, 60 pips. I need to sort out that part, to be fair. Because at that point, let's say you don't want to keep trailing it if you know price is going to reverse.
Yeah, for sure.
Even if you're trailing it, it's still a bit different that way too.
Okay.
But yeah, how many people watching? 7 people watching. So there
Somehow.
should be 7 likes on the stream.
I mean, he did win, I guess. I haven't won yet. That's why I'm not asking for likes. I haven't won yet. Well, actually, you know what?
That's true. That's a good way of doing it.
Technically, I did win this yesterday for you guys. I analyzed this from scratch, the exact entries, the exact same stop loss.
Yeah, I saw you talking.
Free trade yesterday, boys. And this one was on Discord, but yeah, actually, you know what? I'll scroll up. I'll scroll up. Not a single lie was said.
I remember you talking to Elite Man. Actually, you were saying to him, "Why would you enter here when you could have got this entry?"
Oh yeah, bro. First of all, did I get ed by Marcus? I just asked if it's a hot pot. I got ed, bro. Secondly.
He's interning, bro. He's busy.
Interning, yeah, around here. Basically, I was asking him, right? For example, why wouldn't you have sold here? He was saying, oh, because there's minor support. But like during when it's like Roger Bank strategy.
No. I was talking about the small sport there, not the big one.
This one.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah, I know, but aren't you waiting for it to fill in the wick though? And then you
I mean
upside,
the other,
right? You said because you're willing to take the bias to the upside, but there's minor.
Let him explain it. Let him explain it for me.
Yeah, sorry, carry on.
Never mind.
So okay, this is my point. Okay, this is my point. Before, and then you can counter.
Wait, what's this whole argument about?
It wasn't an argument. I was just saying I don't get like breakout traders because they miss out certain support resistance when if it fits their bias, but they don't when it doesn't. So for example, right here, first of all, let's look over here on this bit. So for this one, for some traders, right, breakout traders, they say, oh, it's clean because we're looking to fill in the wick. So as soon as this level breaks, they should be taking sells, right? Realistically, it's clean, filling the wick on the left. Great, but they don't because there's minor. Elite Man said there's minor resistance, a minor support over here. Makes sense, fine. So I counteract with this. Okay, what about this one where you took the buys over here? There's still minor support over there, right? That's still minor support. That's still minor support. So how come that didn't stop you from pushing the price higher? How come you're okay to take the buys there, but you're
are you saying why did you not take the sells?
Yeah, you're not overlooking this bit, but you're willing to overlook this bit.
In that case, what I would say is literally because price is at least gonna push to that next level after it breaks the minor one. Enter it, and as soon as it moves those 2-3 pips, move to break even. That's how I, do it. On the sells, I mean.
Spreads, bro. Come on now. Spreads won't allow you to do that much, really. Come on.
In this left case, yeah, I reckon it would, because obviously you had liquidity. that zone to your left technically is a bit lower down because of the
Yeah,
wick.
I was gonna say, by the way, this is me being generous about the zone I marked out, because I could have
Yeah.
marked out this zone and be like, no, that didn't technically break, and technically your entry would have been up here because you're waiting for a break above, right? So right
yeah.
here. So that's my issue, because that's my issue with some breakout traders. I'm like, okay, but sometimes you look at this support, sometimes you don't look at this resistance. You know what I mean? I don't get why. I wasn't roasting. I'm just asking why, and then I didn't
know
get
you
anyone's
wasn't.
answer.
So no worries.
So what was it? What was your answer for this one? So for example, this one, okay, there was support. Cool. What about this one? Why wouldn't you stop by these things?
Well, the bigger one. Wait.
So are you asking him why he did not let that stop him from taking
Yeah,
buys?
why didn't you let these resistance stop you from taking the buy trade? Because you took
I
the
mean-
buy trades, good job. As I said, it's great that you made money yesterday. It's beautiful. But well, actually, I stopped because we were talking, so I think you missed it. But you were
Well, I
having-
missed the.
Yeah, you were having a buy trade here, anyways. You knew you were gonna take a buy. So how
Yeah.
come this didn't stop you from taking buys?
Well,
Well, why do you think of the answer? Another thing I look at is sometimes let's say I do see a minor support, but it looks clean, right? For example, in this case, it looks clean pushing down and for quote unquote clean traffic, right? And you got an order block sitting there.
Yeah.
One thing I look at is if there's a zone where I'm not sure on its strength, what I look at is okay, in the past, when we pushed up from the same area, for example, in this case, you see where your entry is.
You can annotate, by the way.
Nah, because I'm on YouTube. You're not showing the screen.
Oh, I'm not showing my screen. That is crazy.
Yeah, I would say, for example, if you look at where your entry is there,
Yeah, 1 second. Sorry, I'll share my screen so you can annotate.
as
So
long as it
everyone
doesn't
can...
lag.
It'll be fine. Stream won't lag. PC's a beast, mate.
Oh, is he on PC?
Yeah, PC's a beast,
Nice.
mate.
Yeah, I'm talking about here. What a dead color.
This EA trade shit me. Oh damn.
You see
bro.
this entry here, for example, this zone. It's techie when it comes to figuring out whether it's a major zone or not, right? For me, the clear zone will be here first of all. Oh, that's an even worse color. What am I doing? Here's the real zone, because if you look at price here, first of all, price pushed up here. Forget the candles, pushed up here. This is just a candle close, but price itself overall did this to this zone, right? That's one thing, right? So the real zone for me will be there.
Okay.
Obviously, you got this lower zone here. Even then, like I said, this is one of those situations where you're not sure, okay, is it a real zone or not? Price obviously rejected it. At that point, what I do is I look at when price pushed up from this same level here in the past. So I'd look back, I'll zoom out a little. You might have to show it later.
Yeah.
I would zoom out a little and I'll be like, okay, every time price pushed up from here, how far up did it push? Was it getting stopped at this level? And then sometimes what you'll notice is, oh wait, every single time price pushed from this level, this wasn't a zone. For in this example, it wasn't a zone. Every single time price pushed all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And but then sometimes there'll be zones like this in the way where you're trying to decide. And you'll see this what helps you avoid the losing trades or the bad.
You're not wrong. Every time it pushed
Breakouts.
into this zone, it did actually push up. That's why. That's
Is that
also
on
why I
the
took the trade.
actual charts.
I did take the trade. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah,
Well,
exactly.
if I was going to take the trade, which I was planning to, but
Yeah.
so yeah, there was actually a zone over here where price actually did continue. That's why it's a major key level for me, by the way.
There you go.
But
But then there's other scenarios where
yeah.
let's say in another scenario, every single time price pushed up from here, it did this. Now I'll be sat there like, okay, in the short term, it's clean. There's an order block. There's a real key level here. We obviously been ranging, tapped into liquidity, so on and so forth. But every single time you push it from this same level, let's say in the past week or the past month, price reversed here. So why would I enter here? It just doesn't make sense. If you know price is going to push down there, why do I not look for this entry? Because every single time price did this. And those patterns, if you just look at the chart, everyone knows this, to be fair. I think, new JP, you guys probably have seen this. Like, price does the same thing, especially in the same week. It'll react the same to certain zones. Yeah.
Yeah, for
That's
me,
probably, Elite Man, I don't know if you thought of your answer yet, but that was my thought.
Yeah, Elite Man, would you just agree with what Adil just said, or what is your reasoning for taking this trade?
If you're still there.
Well, I agree.
You just agree, okay? You'll just agree.
Yeah.
Fair
I
enough.
just agree. Nothing more, nothing less.
All right. The other question I had was obviously, okay, why do breakout traders, or why do typical retail traders, the majority of retail traders love trading at the highs and not the lows? Do you know what I mean when buying? Because if you think about it like this, right, the sellers are up here, so if you're trying to buy, you're really going against majority of sellers, because clearly there was selling pressure on the zone. This zone was deemed as too expensive up here to buy, and that's why everyone was selling.
But he was breaking the resistor there.
Momentum trades.
Yeah.
Okay, momentum.
Like he was breaking, was closing up, and after that he made the lower wick and was going up.
Okay, if that's the case, then how come this happened? It did break, momentum, same time. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, of course you're gonna buy there. If you break the wick.
Over here, you're gonna buy here. That's what I mean. So, yeah, you guys said... you guys said...
Seller wick, topper wick, you're gonna break that, and you're gonna buy.
Right, but...
But it's risky, because who are resistor, they're up.
Right, but I'm saying... Okay,
of course, you can take it. It will be good at the top, and he will push back down.
Okay. So what you're saying is you would take the buy, obviously, a continuation over here. Right?
Yeah.
That's where you take the buy, and you take the buy over here because it faked out. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, got you. Okay, that's what I was asking, because, like, obviously, like, breakout traders are fine to take the buys when it breaks up to the high, right? Obviously, overpowering sellers, great stuff. But when it comes to these ones, I guess they're probably willing to take it as well and probably got faked out. Okay. That's my question again, because I've just never got the point of breakout trading. I just never got it. Ooh, zones. There you go. I understand if it breaks out. Okay, I see why breakouts do it, because obviously it shows that you overpowered sellers. I get that as well, but yeah.
That's why you're trading before the London Open, because they're liquidity a lot, so it's break a lot in the lines. Because it's more higher to break.
I'm more so what you say, why I never got the point of breakout trading, because me what I always known is you always try to sell at the best price possible. Sell at the lows. Buy at the lows, sell at the highs. But when you're doing a breakout trade, you're technically doing the opposite, because you're buying the highs. Because, right, technically in this range, you're buying the highs. That's pretty simple to understand, right? So you're buying the highs over here because you're taking breakout trades. You're taking the sells over here, which is the lows. And to me, that's so backwards, because in trading, you're supposed to really, in simple terms, simple trading is you sell the highs and buy the lows. That's why I never got breakout trading. Again, obviously it works for people. Good job, good stuff. But yeah, that's just my thought on it. It could be obvious. It may sound a bit dumb, but it's just always what I thought of trading. You got 2 bull candles printing to continue, so likely. So what do you mean, like 1 bull candle, 2 bull candle? So third was likely. Okay. I've actually never tested. So yeah, I've actually never tested that too. That's something I really should have tested on the weekly. I really should have tested that on the weekly, because I only tested 1 candle. So I was just what I tested in terms of candle formation is, if it's a strong candle like this on a week, what's the chances of this going next candle? But yeah, need to master sequencing. Maybe. It's something I got so much more to learn, man. Honestly, so much more to learn. So yeah, definitely keep this in mind. But yeah, that was to answer your question, JP. Is literally just because from what I know trading to be, and what I've always learned about trading 101, right, is you buy low, you sell high. But in this case, I mean, you technically are, because you're buying high, but you're selling higher. So it's working to some extent. So yeah, it makes sense. But so these are the ones I'm looking at. Where are they? Where are my trades? So BTC to be swept the highs. I'm pretty sure I said exactly where I want BTC to go. Let's see. Did I say 23,800? I don't remember if I said it or not. I'd be careful, potential sell-off. Moving my stops to break even. That was quite good, I guess. I think when I got tapped out, I said, 23,400 could be swept soon. Oh, not 800. I said 400. I was a bit off. 400's here. Yeah, I was like 400 like off. Damn, wasn't exact. But yeah, I'll look into sequencing. So what I need to learn right now is time in sequencing, I guess.
Sequencing is interesting. Is it not just? I think I heard him say momentum earlier.
Yeah.
Would it not be momentum just combined with volume, like you said?
I'm thinking maybe like he's saying if it's two bullish candle, the one's more likely to be bullish and bearish. That's what I'm thinking about sequencing.
I mean, I guess as scalpers we do use that. Like, for example,
I think subconsciously you may, yeah.
When trading your stop loss, we're using it. So
Yeah.
if you go on the GJ 5-minute, I'll show you.
Drop on the monthly.
Share your screen again.
Yeah, for sure.
Annotate.
Whereabouts do you want to go?
Is this GJ?
No,
that's
not
Bitcoin.
GJ monthly or
Bitcoin had a similar example. Just go on the 5-minute. Like it happened today with the whole sequencing.
Right here.
Like you just said, it's a good timing to be fair for this. Yeah, I was just saying. I think one of my buys was. So we had this candle. I didn't use this whole sequencing logic you're on about.
I think subconsciously you might have seen it, but
it's just price action for me, and I've just seen it happen over and over again. But I guess you've termed it right, sequencing. My idea was, okay, pull back here. Once it finishes this, there's a very high chance, because I've seen what GJ does usually. We got large momentum. There's a high chance, because we're at a zone 2. And what was the time of that candle, if you can check? Because I always look at time as well, but there's not fixed strategy. Yeah, that was the 15-minute, 8:15.
Yeah.
If you hover, yeah, that's the one. So I figured, okay, bottom wick. We push down first. We're at a key zone. We've already had clear momentum. We know GJ likes to continue on for years and years. Obviously not actual years. So then once we broke with this high, I figured, okay, momentum's with us today. We had very large candles. What's the odds we do it again? And then obviously we got it. We got the large candle. Plus, when it comes to trailing stop losses, we know when we get these big candles, the bottom wicks are very small. So one thing I did when I was trading my stop was, I think we did this on the lower time frames. We literally made a tiny bottom wick straight away. I traded my stop because I figured I'm expecting this candle to be a large candle, bullish, impulsive, full candle. So as soon as it did this, I was like, okay, if it comes back down now, makes a larger bottom wick, then my idea is invalid. So I might as well trade my stop here. And I think, yeah. And another thing is time. I know you're all about your time. I do the same thing. If you go on GJ from yesterday, go on the 15-minute and zoom out. This is actually a massive, I wouldn't say a massive confluence of mine. It just gives me a little more confidence in my trades. So show yesterday's London session and then today's, as in just put them next to each other if you can. Yeah, so where's 7 a.m. yesterday? If you look at this yesterday, right?
Try it.
Actually, could you zoom out a little bit more? Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. If you look, this is something I look at. If you look at yesterday London session, what happened? We had a trend line going upwards. When's this? 7 a.m.'s there, yeah? 7 a.m. We break this trend line, push up, retest it, essentially. And then made a very large rally downwards. So today I came on the charts and I saw, okay, we have a trend line going downwards. If not, you could say it's the bigger trend line here. Just to make it simpler to understand, we had a trend line, let's just say this rough trend line here, right? Everyone can see that, I'm pretty sure. If you can't see that, go fuck yourself. Oh, sorry, that was rude. I don't know why I said that.
Well, I
don't know why
man.
I said that. That was really bad.
I didn't see it, to be honest.
I don't know why I said that. But yeah, we broke the trend line. So yesterday London session, we broke the trend line, come down, retest it. Today, we push up, retest the trend line. Can you check the time of that retest?
Yeah, that'll be around
8 o'clock.
Yeah,
literally the exact same thing. Yeah. We break a trend line, retest. I figured we've got the clean candles waiting above here, and every other confluence I mentioned earlier, like the key zones, the wicks, the 5-minute candles, so on and so forth. That's just a little extra confluence that helped me out. I'll work into I'm going to look at adding it in as a main sort of thing, but I always talk about this. Price did the exact same thing, just in reverse. So I was like, what's the odds that we get another large continuation like this to at least fulfill that trend line? And look, we got it. So now from here, I wouldn't be surprised if price keeps continuing down all day. Sorry, continuing upwards all day. Just because of that tiny confirmation.
But once it broke this trend line over here, just the same way it broke this trend line, it did reverse back up though. Couldn't you say that?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I would say. Like the minimum target. I'm just wondering if there's a larger trend line.
Right.
If you zoom out more.
Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on.
You see up here.
Let me just delete everything first, and then cool.
You can see my annotations, can't you?
I can, yeah. So let's say
this is what I mean. So if you wanted to be ballsy, I guess what you would do is
let me just
this is the first target here. Do probably that's a trend zone for sure, JB. That ain't no trend line. I would say this
chopsticks. Would be like chopsticks, isn't it?
Ain't no chopsticks. Yeah. But I'd say that's the thing. You could say this is the real move. Look at that trend line. Yeah,
JP, now you're moving mad.
He's moving a little sus. But that's the thing, because sometimes the market's not exactly. It's not like we had this yesterday, so then price is going to get a tiny move and then reverse. You could say this is the real trend line that we're breaking today. Now, if we get what that would mean is the retest of the trend line might take longer. So what we could get now is we get a trend line retest here, because the market, it moves the same just on different time frames.
Mm-hmm.
Then we get the larger move. So this, what happened yesterday, was actually what would you call it? What would you call it? Basically, not a miniature version, almost like a foreshadowing of the larger move that's happening today. And I've seen that happen before. You'll see the same patterns happening on the higher time frames, happen on the lower time frames, just in a smaller version. Yeah, that's something to look into for everyone, I guess.
Can't believe JP got caught lacking there.
Yeah, man's thinking about my.
Ah, chopsticks. Nah, those are. I can't lie. Those are pretty thick chopsticks, dude. What's going on?
Those are real chopsticks. You got the colors and everything.
Thick chopsticks, my guy. What's going on?
Send me yours Telegram. I got my trades. As a matter of fact, I just closed 9K. Oh, nice, man. I've seen you here before, Swanky Pants. I swear.
Send me yours Telegram.
We don't have a Telegram.
We got a Discord though. If you want to join that.
Yeah.
I mean,
we ain't basic, bro. Imagine having a Telegram.
Telegram. What? Oh, did I just delete my
2023?
What did I delete? I don't know why I deleted it, but I deleted the tab. I caught that move on GJ. Yeah, nice. If you want to show us your analysis,
that's
man,
beautiful.
Be my guest.
It's a free group in the description.
Yeah, two of the group members, I guess, caught it, whereas I was looking for shorts and I got caught lacking. But
are you still looking for shorts now? Or?
I still am, yeah.
Nice.
So what I'm looking for is potential breakdown back into
the link
into this zone right here. Basically, the fake out fake out strategy. Didn't say my trade was beautiful a deal. Say none though.
What's this?
Didn't say my trade. I guess a deal you didn't say it. Yeah.
I haven't seen your trade, man. Send the chart.
Basically the same as yours.
I know you caught it, but
now you caught a nice trade too. Yeah. From what I saw, you caught a nice trade. All right, come on.
From what I know, you don't trail your stuff as aggressively as mine, so you probably caught a larger move.
We're working on it. Aren't we, Jay? We're working on that. We're working on something.
No, I was saying
top secret.
No, I was saying he probably got a better move because he doesn't trail it.
Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure from what we said earlier, you got scared and closed at break even. Not break even. We were talking about 1 to 5 or something. So it's still
yeah. I think that's why having a system when it comes to training is better. Because I don't want to sit there one day and be like, oh, not even one day. Just I don't like that when I see people say, oh, I should have held it for longer. When people say that, you're like, yeah, but what's your system? So you just
yeah, but you should have held it for longer though, didn't you? Damn.
Why it's annoying though, isn't it? Have you ever seen people say that? Oh, but if only I held it for this long.
You guys seem so chill though. You're from Houston. I am out. I'm willing to help you guys out. Now we're from everywhere, man. I can't lie. A lot of people from different places. We got people from Estonia out here, bro. Me and a deal, from the ends.
We're from the ghetto. Southside.
Nah, man, you're chill too. Join the Discord, bro. We're not looking for any like signals or nothing, bro.
Yeah, I mean, we appreciate like just sending your charts in the Discord. Some people do like to just look and see how other people trade. But obviously,
if you're interactive, it'd be great as well. To be fair,
yeah,
more interactive people in the chat, the better. Born and raised in a trap
house.
Bro, don't call Loughborough ends. Do not call Loughborough ends, bro. Please, it's the oldest like this, bro. Do not call Loughborough ends.
Bro, I swear, this guy threw his teeth at me one time, bro.
Legit. Bro, you know this guy, he's got his walking stick.
Stop smacking me with it. Oh, ain't no way, bro.
Oh, look, now he's been banned
Oh.
too. Like JP, he's like, Kalen, stop capping. Even Nightbot just butted you.
Bro.
Like always.
Bro, YouTube chats more ends than Loughborough, bro.
You even put brackets warning. Oh god.
Bro, Nightbot was like, try that again, I dare you. Try that again. Nah, this is not too far off, bro.
Yeah, true. I mean, I don't know. I would say the place where I'm from is slowly turning into it. It's getting worse. There's been some couple of events and more popping up, but it wasn't too bad. I was Mark on the other hand.
Ends, bro, ends.
Nah, yeah, your ends are mad. I heard stories about your ends.
Bro, when did you get so
Don't
funny?
get me wrong,
I'm
shit's
always
happening in
funny.
mine too, but I was usually just staying away.
Bro, I'm always funny, bro. You guys are talking. You guys are chatting. I can't lie.
Let me do it.
Adil knows. I've always been funny. Trust me. Nah, for real though. Nah. Ends though. To be fair, from where I am, you guys don't know what it's like to live like this. How bad is actually Loughborough though? Like, what? How?
Bro, you know what? Caleb's from Loughborough, so maybe he knows about certain areas that I don't.
Oh, maybe.
But bro, when the university's closed, it's full of just old people. I don't see ends, bro. We're near to Derby. Derby's has some rough areas.
Oh, Derby's,
obviously,
yeah,
Nottingham
Derby's
too is right above us. That has some.
Nottingham's rough too, yeah.
Nottingham, yeah, but Loughborough, just old people and uni students. Let's say
Boys,
that.
I was planning to move to Nottingham. I was trying to get into the ends, bro. I don't know what you guys know about.
Yeah, I remember.
I'm not trying to leave it. I'm trying to go back.
Actually, we were both gonna have our office there, weren't we?
Yeah, we were
thinking
of
of
office
this.
there because you were going uni there, innit? So
Yeah, and then the vibes were just like off.
Yeah.
Shelthorpe and Keats.
Is that the two like? What's it called? Like Warnden and Tollerline in Wu Town.
Really? We couldn't walk there at night? Is that a challenge?
I wouldn't.
No, I
wouldn't.
I'll trust you, Caleb. I'll trust you. Was that 2 to
Bristol,
1?
to be fair, it's not like.
So is it a break-even new or a L?
It's an L, I think. L at 245, yeah.
Oh.
Bristol's quite rough, in it. Some parts of Bristol, but I'm pretty sure there's some posh parts too, just like all places.
That's the thing, yeah. Every place. I'd say London sounds worse because I've heard about stories of even in the nice areas there'll just be stabbings and stuff like that. I've heard that about London.
Yeah, London's
of course, not. You're not in central in those literally fully business areas. I doubt anything happens there.
Yeah.
But London, from what I've seen, stabbings every day apparently.
London's different, bro.
That's crazy. If you think about it, stabbing every day. More than that.
So my boys live in.
Yeah, I've got a cousin in Croydon.
Croydon, where's that? London.
South London, yeah.
South London.
It's
yeah.
upper. I think it's upper South London. So like not ends, but Croydon.
Stabbings broad daylight.
Yeah. My cousin got mugged there. To be fair.
Oh, I can't lie. I wouldn't go that time.
Best believe me and Mark ain't flexing hard when we get to London. I'm
Believe
hiding the watch. I'm hiding the.
No, best believe I just wouldn't live in such a tough.
No, but that's what I was saying. From what I've seen, they'll pull up in traffic.
Oh, would they?
Have you seen that one video of the Lambo getting?
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, they're trying to break into the thing. It was for the watch. They weren't even trying to get the Lambo either. They're trying to get the watch.
Mad.
I see your trades. Oh, here you go.
Let's see news.
There it is.
What's Estonia like, Leap Man?
It's a good country.
Like where you're from, as a whole.
It's a good country. It's no ghettos.
I think most those.
That's what he said. He said there's no.
There must be somewhere, but every country has some sort.
Nah, I said he doesn't. You know what? I'm inclined to not believe it or cap. No, what is it actually like though? For real, what's Estonia like?
Well, let's gonna say it's better if they're London.
Better than London. Well, it can't get
there's
much
a lot of
worse than London.
places
Mate. London's got one of the highest crime rates, bro. It can't get much worse than that.
Well, we have crime pretty low. People are normal. So what if gypsies are only bad people here?
Oh, to be fair,
mostly
I had my
still.
fair share of encounters with them. Some of them are really nice, you know. Can't lie, but
Actually, there's a lot from where you're from, innit?
No. It's for. Well, I used to work at hospitality, and obviously, what they would do is they would come in. Right? This is real.
right.
This is real as well. So they would just come in, all of them as a family, as a group, right? They would
Inside the
yeah.
building.
It's like table of
Right.
12. We have to get them sorted. Table of 12, no bookings or nothing. So we had to come out with like a table of 12 out our asses somehow. We managed to do it. And then slowly but surely, one of them keep disappearing. Do you know what I mean? They disappear one at a time, and then but next thing we know, they're not there. So they never came back, and I was like, what the hell?
Wait, that was it? Were they just stealing food, not paying, and then slowly?
Yeah, and they would do it like literally every month.
Right.
They would
That's
come
crazy.
like they would be there, like literally. And
To be
I'd
fair,
like,
these guys are on job because even the warehouse, you know, when I was at DHL,
yeah,
they just used to pull up outside with their whole family, and we couldn't really do anything.
yeah. No,
They
would
would just
literally
they would like
do it.
dominate. They park the caravan or whatever, park whatever they had,
Yeah.
and just be like walking around. And then at one point, I'm pretty sure I wasn't there, but they smashed the window. And then they had to call the police and block them off. They had security guards outside with dogs
Yeah.
for a while.
You know the
Good job.
place I used to work at, right? Hickories. It had like this child park thing, like
Yeah.
It had
Like a
a like
park outside.
a boat, like monkey bars and whatnot, right? In the restaurant, like outside the restaurant, bro. We had Gypsies Park near it, and then they crapped on the park, bro. I'm like, really, man? Like, you guys
Nah.
really like you're gonna do us like
That's
that?
mad.
They take over.
Obviously, no offense. I've met some. You know what? I don't even know enough about them to say anything. I've only had like that one encounter I just mentioned is the only time I've.
But
really...
we've had a few nice ones though. To be fair, that's the thing. So it's like you can't judge the entire. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright,
Like in
so-
school, obviously we had loads of friends like that.
By the way, look at that.
Come
Target
loft,
would have been
they
perfect
take
for GU, boys. Target would have been perfect for GU.
once they come loft, bro, they take over the. Wait, are you saying they have done this, or once they do come, use the gym showers? Yeah, trust. I'll be there after till.
Okay,
No.
look at gold dropping now. I'm guessing Bitcoin's dropping too. Not
Love
much.
to see it. 8 viewers, 8 likes. How the world should be.
Wait, 8 viewers, 8 likes.
Yeah.
Straight cat.
Wait, what do you mean? You want 10 likes for 8 views?
Yes, absolutely.
Saying that, if anyone's watching you just joined, then we could get that.
Oh,
Let's
that's
see
not short position. Did not mean to do short position there. Did
Who
you?
are you playing?
What?
Who are you playing?
I was gonna create a link, but like
I'll play you.
for some reason it put short position. Like
No,
what?
no one join it. No, someone's gonna join before.
Yeah,
me.
whoever gets there first. That's the thing, isn't it? Who is it?
I bet it's gonna be Elite Man. I bet.
No, it's not.
Nope.
It's my worst nightmare.
JP.
Yeah, it's my worst nightmare.
Is it JP or New? Oh,
It's JP.
have you played New yet, by the way?
Nah. Have you played new? How did it go?
Nah, I haven't played. I played Elite Man yesterday.
You know what? I'm just gonna go random with no tactics and just hope for the best. That's what I'm gonna do.
Hang on, Caleb. I'll send you it. I haven't played Caleb yet.
Let's see how quickly you can.
I remember last time Mark was meant to play Caleb. Elite Man just
Leave
slashed up the
swooped in
link.
there, bro, straight away.
He didn't even say sorry either. He's just like, yeah, bro.
Straight away swooped in there, man.
You
It was
stole my link.
hilarious.
What's this?
Oh, you trapped me, dickhead. No, well, not really. All right, whatever. We're going with it.
What's this, Caleb? Your workout routine? I tried one raw egg with milk. It was all right. With raw milk, it's all right. Now I'm playing Caleb New. Allow you. You snaked my invite link the other day. I remember that. Don't worry. We do not forget. I've been keeping a list, as they say.
Checking it twice.
Checking it twice, making sure New.
But I'm not even
trades
thinking
get
right
hit.
now. I could end up just like sacrificing my queen without me.
I've
thinking.
sent it on Discord, Caleb. Caleb. Alright, what's this? Man, this guy has 6 meals a day. Bro, just have 2 big ones. Why you gotta have 6? As long as you get your calories in for the day, surely. I used to do that like 3 or 4 meals, but I was like, there's no time in the day to have 3 or 4 meals. I like that. Meal 5.
you're so close to getting checked.
Meal
Mated.
5, whatever mum makes.
Bro, you're getting so
Too
close to
shit.
getting checkmated, bro. You're done. You're done. Alright, whatever. Never mind.
He probably built like a tank. He's getting there now. I've seen him. He used to be a lot skinnier from what I've seen.
Oh, I can't bloody move because of...
Watch out, they might send you to Ukraine.
Now I can't even castle anymore. Why you gotta do that for then? Dick.
Swanky Lank, whatever his name was. Is it Swanky Pants? Not Swanky Lank.
Do you wanna fight about this then? Go away,
I
queen.
don't think he joined. Jeez,
No
JP.
one wants
Did
you.
JP move that 1 to 5 to break even? Or did he catch this?
Hmm?
That JP trade. It looks nice though. It's pretty sick.
Oh no, he's got me. He's won. He's won.
Oh, Caleb's joined. Alright, let's go. We got 10 minutes, Caleb, on stream at least, and I'll play you after too.
He's won.
Change the board, why? Waiting will auto abort. Yo, bro, have your turn.
He just completely destroyed me.
Change the board to what? What are you talking about?
I'll meet
This
your
is
queen.
the
Meet your
this is
king
the
halfway,
Enigma
bro.
board, my friend. Alright, let's
1v1 my king, bro. 1v1 my king. You won't. I lost horribly. I wasn't in the mood to think today, I can't lie.
Excuse only.
Caleb, why? Wait, has he beat you already? What's going on? Nah. Whoa, Caleb, what strat is this, bro?
1v1 me trading, bro. Come on. Come at me.
What's this?
Now, to be fair, you probably still beat me at that point. So, you know what? Say none. Say none. Alright, so we'll go with... I'll do friends again. So, whoever gets the next one, I guess. I bet you this guy's going to swoop in again. Because he's got the chess. He's got chess ready every single time. I'll make 10% before you take a trade. Oh!
What did he say? I'll make 10%. Oh, damn.
Is that right?
Deep.
Is that or you lose 5 trades in a row before I even make a trade? It's one or the other, bro.
Shit.
It's one or the other. Oh, he's
What
back again. Why are you
How
back
do you
again?
lose your castle privileges, by the way? What's the...
I think it's when you move your rook or your king.
Oh, motherfuckers.
Go on, fight me.
You move your rook or your king. I didn't move either. That's so weird.
A bit stomped. A bit stomped. Oh, JP's like, oh, he actually made a decent move here. But I guess it wasn't good enough.
Oh, yeah, I was not thinking skin Caleb, bro. I'm still playing him, bro.
Mm.
Fucked up. We're not in the mood right now. Let's see news chart. Oh, beautiful stuff, New. Did you get back in again?
Wanna play chess, someone? Elite Man's like that guy. Anyone want a friend? Anyone want a friend?
What did he say? Wanna play?
I don't want to play chess.
Violated.
I want a friend.
You funny guys. Funny.
Sorry. I apologize. I was too mean. Bro, I swear Caleb doesn't learn his lessons, bro. He's been timed out by Nightbot.
Caleb, brother. You're gonna get perma banned soon by Nightbot.
He will. That's straight facts. Oh, I can't do that, can I? So you're gonna eat that. That's gonna be eaten.
Elite man, you just made it worse for yourself.
It seems like I don't want to be your friend anyways.
Psych!
You checked me.
He's lost his queen. He's lost his woman. Right then, let's see this.
Yeah. What now? What now?
Ooh.
Oh,
I've got some real plays coming in now, bro.
I'm
You're
coming
about to
in
get
hot.
rinsed, Caleb. Or not.
Wait.
Shit.
How are you gonna protect your king like that? Do you know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day. But why? Hold on, first of all. Oh, crap! Oh, no. No, I'm fine. I know what I'm talking about. I'm good.
Ooh.
Mark your trap.
Now
You know
he's
that?
one move.
Trapped?
my
Who's trapped?
friend.
Me? Trapped? Nah. No way.
Yep.
Oh,
He
crap!
need on.
Idiot! What idiot!
Covert
What you gonna do
operations,
now?
Caleb. You're about to die.
If I eat that.
It's fine, brother. I'll sacrifice it.
Checkmate. God damn it. I was thinking a little bit. I got one missed win. When was that? When did that happen? Let's see. It's gonna give me like 20 bro. You are 1.4k elo, bro. I am 200. Calm down. I'm sounding like a deal now. God damn it. Oh, jeez.
Well, what's this?
You made me sound like a deal. Look at
What did you say?
bro.
What did you say?
What? I basically said he was better than me, so stop. You know when you said, "Oh, you had more practice than me, so you can't blame me." Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
To be fair, that was a better excuse from me. I can't lie. I can't lie. I can't accept that. To be fair.
I was like, how could you do? Okay, so how did I miss win then? So next, okay, next, okay. How was I supposed to know all that moves? What? Okay, next. Okay. And then what? I would have lost anyways. What? What is this?
No, you will get the Spearman in 3.
Oh, Caleb, bro. I don't even know why
I
I
know
did
what.
that.
Okay, that's
That
the
was
best move.
Dumbest move I've ever done in my life.
Good. Yes, I'm gonna eat you. See, that's what JP would have done for sure. That's what I'm saying. So I would have been. That is the best move apparently. Then what I'm gonna do is go over here. It's questionable. How is that questionable? Oh, but he wouldn't have saw that because it's JP. Do you know what I mean? So it's fine. So what he would have done is done this instead, right? So I would go like that, and he would go do that. I'd eat him. This is what would have happened with me and JP, 100%. And that. Play me again, Mark. No thinking. All right, but yeah, but what you're thinking is like that. But okay, we'll do it, I guess. All right, no thinking. Literally just go with it, yeah? Let's see if Elite Man gets the link first. What happened to GJ? Did it collapse? Oh, look at Bitcoin is dropping, boys. We're making moolah.
It's GJ. Oh, GJ dropped it.
GJ did nothing, really. You scalpers go crazy. You know, you scalpers are different. All right, no thinking. Let's go.
All right, now let's. Now you're thinking about it.
You guys want to see what my test tactics was back in the day, yeah? Well, first of all, like, go like this.
Is Cademan about to get checked by rooks? Let's see.
I go like that. Hey, yo, no one asked for that.
What's this?
This guy, bloody eating everything.
Are you playing JP or Elite Man?
What?
You playing JP or Elite Man?
Nah, JP.
Not me.
JP. No thinking! Yes, goodbye. Oh, crap.
This knight is decimating this guy's. Alright, let's see. Alright, what I need to do now is...
This is brutal. This is brutal. You're still thinking, I swear. I swear you're thinking, bro. There's no way you're not.
Wait. Checkmate, surely.
I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna get you, bro.
Oh no.
Oh, you got fork. Oh, you
You have to sacrifice the what's his face? Bishop.
I'm gonna eat that rook, bro.
Wait, well basically you sacrifice this and then you lost.
GG, bro. GG.
GG. I beat him.
You beat who, Caleb?
Feels good to get a W, boys. In chess.
It took you a while because you keep trying to go like against me.
Basically, I started off playing everyone better than me.
Which, bro,
I guess Mark, we had the same
I
experience. I can't lie. I need to rematch you. I'm getting better slowly.
Well, I'm not catching up to JP anytime soon, mate. 1.8 Elo. Are you mad? You're not a grandmaster yet. Come on, JP.
JP, unfortunately, is half nice. Unfortunately, let's just both take the GJ dub today.
You guys should you should play Elite Man. He's actually pretty decent. I mean, he made me lose against you, but
I played him yesterday. He beat me. To be fair,
I'm talking about JP. I reckon he has a better chance than
JP and Elite Man.
Yeah,
that's true.
Because I think Elite Man is I think 400 or maybe 5. What are you?
Calm, Caleb. Don't worry. Like I said, direct that Carolyn energy.
Carolyn. I'm guessing that's the bitch at work.
Yeah. He's getting into his soul, bro.
All right, calm, boys. It is 9:30.
It is 9:30.
So I will be shooting off, or we'll be shooting off. We'll be ending the stream here. Appreciate you all who liked the video.
Sound boys.
Appreciate who tuned in from start to finish. Appreciate you all. I hope you guys had a great day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
In a bit.
Alright, in a bit, guys.
Bye.